How to fix storage problem on any Android phone easily and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, guys, is simple. Just go to the settings page on your phone, and then all what you have to do is go to this apps option and go to apps. Now here on this page you will find all the apps on your phone, as you can see. Now choose one of the apps. For example, I'm gonna choose the Facebook. Click on it, and now all what you have to do is simple. Click on storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Go back and choose another app. I'm gonna choose Gmail. Click on storage, click on clear data, clear cache. Go back again, choose another one, for example Instagram too. Click here and data and cache. After you finish, you will be the storage problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.